Hello my dear plant lovers, today I am helping one of our customers to repot this beautiful overgrown jade plant into a larger planter. As you can see, it clearly needs one. To be honest with you, I thought it's going to be an easy task, but now when I have the plant here, I can see that it's going to be very challenging. The plant stems are so thick and they are bent, and I have to be very careful not to break any stems or cause any damage. Having you here with me and supporting me, it's gonna really help me. Plus, I am wearing my good luck t-shirt because I really need one today. Before I start, let me quickly introduce myself. I am Juliette, the founder of My City Plants. On this channel, I am sharing with you my experience, what I have learned about houseplants, and my best tips to help you to grow healthy and happy plants. So subscribe to our channel, keep the notifications on so you do not miss any new videos. This jade plant has been growing in this planter since 2017, 5 years now. And back then, it looked like this. See how small it was? And now, wow! The owner clearly takes great care of it and the plant is thriving. This plant is potted in Lechuza self-watering Delta 20 plant. As many of you know by now, I'm a big fan of Lechuza planters. The sub-irrigation system provides great drainage, allows oxygen to get to the roots, lowers watering frequency 3 times, and puts the plant in total control of water intake. It is obvious the plants love these planters as well. They go stronger, healthy, and much faster. Look how deep the color of the leaves of this jade plant is, and look how strong its stems are. Okay guys, let's go and see if I can do it. When repotting jade plants, you do not want to select the pot that is too big. Jade plants are succulents and they do not require a lot of soil to cover the roots. So pot 1 to 3 inches bigger will work best. Drainage is a must for these plants, and you have to use a very porous potting mix or soil cacti special mix. I am going to use Lechuza Classico 28 planter to repot this beautiful plant, and here it is. This planter is 10.8 inches in diameter, is 10.2 inches in height. The water reservoir is at the bottom of the cover. Okay, I'm gonna put the planter together, assemble it quickly. Special pond, tube holder, this is trash. All right, this goes inside here. This thing will hold the water level indicator. I'm putting together the water level indicator. All right. Okay, this water level indicator, this plastic tube, has a floater inside, and it shows me when the reservoir is empty or full. So if the reservoir is full, this red stick will rise to the maximum mark. When the reservoir is empty and all water is used, it drops down to the minimum mark. And then the last thing, I'm going to add this special substrate. It's called pon. It goes at the bottom before I put any potting mix in it, and it keeps the moisture levels even. This is a really good product. Plus, it's infused with some nutrients, so it's good all around. Okay, the pot is ready. Now the challenging part, to take this guy out and carefully move it in here. Whew, let's do it. Okay, let's see. Let me take this water level indicator out, and I am going to take the inner pot outside. Oh, surprise, surprise. I thought I will be able to see more roots poking out since this guy left there for 5 years, but you see there's not many roots poking out. It tells us that this is a very slow root growing plant. and it doesn't really need much roots to grow in such a big site. Okay, hold on guys, it's falling. I need 2 hands for this, so I would need to remove, you see how heavy the branches are? All right, let's see if I can just take this whole thing out, because I would want to reuse this spot for Sansevieria plants as client requested. Okay, the guy's out. Let me just be very careful. All right, so that wasn't that hard. Now I have to slowly take it apart. All right, now I'm gonna try and pull the stems apart. Let's see if I can do it. Oh, careful. Okay, this part is out. Wow, this is really heavy. Okay. Successful division. Step 1, done. And I didn't even break any stems. I did lose a couple of leaves here and there, but that's okay. This jade plant is used to and was happily growing in a potting mix. So today I'm going to use the same potting mix, which is good dirt. It's very porous and full of nutrients, so I'm not going to use any succulents or cacti mix. All right, let's put this plant back together and make a nice, full, new jade arrangement. I'll put a little bit of soil at the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna put this one in here first, and I'm gonna set it up a little deeper to get more support for the stems. Let's see. Yeah, this probably should be the second one. Let me see, where's the side is flatter? Okay, it goes here. Okay, I think I'm doing good, and that's the last one. Let me see which way it's leaning. It's leaning this way. So it's gonna go right in here. Oh, thank God I have long fingers. I can hold them all together. Okay, all right, now when I have them all in, I'm gonna add fresh soil. I should do it very slowly, not to damage any stems. I think it looks good and even, and I think I've added enough soil. And let's see, maybe I might need to add a few bamboo sticks just to give the heaviest stems a little bit of support. Okay guys, I'm going to clean up a little bit. Oh, by the way, I'm going to save all the fallen leaves. That's how jade plant gets propagated. I'm going to make a separate video about how to propagate jade plants, how to prune them, and how to care for them in the next video. Meanwhile, I'm just going to collect all these baby leaves and make many more jade plants with this. All right, let me clean up the pot, get all this dust off the planter, make it look nice and clean. After plants get repotted, we have to water the plant a little bit. That's exactly what I'm going to do. And I have my watering can here I would gonna water it a little bit because the roots were not as dry and the potting mix that I used has a little bit of moisture in it, but a little bit I would have to add water just to help the plant to adjust to its new soil, new pot, make it feel a little happier. All right, I think that's enough. And the repotting part is done. What do you guys think? I impressed myself today. I thought it'll be much more complicated. It wasn't. And because of you here supporting me, it was good. My t-shirt definitely worked. I hope you like the way the plant looks. It does not need any support because the pot is deep enough for this plant, and I looked around, it doesn't really need any extra support. So repotting is done. Let me know if you like the way the plant looks now. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and keep the notifications on. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. Take care of yourself, take care of your plants. Thank you for watching and have a green day.